Hi guys, this is Tony. Here comes the northbound Union Pacific mix. I'm sorry, Union Pacific coal train that's coming by. Here comes the Union Pacific coal train that's pulling in. By the way, shout out Union Pacific giving me this great stuff though. Here it comes. Awesome. What a train. Super confused. Oh, yeah. There you are. 2589 and 5960. Now that's awesome. Oh, man. That doesn't get any better than this, though. There goes a northbound Union Pacific coal train plus the horn show, and shout out Union Pacific for giving me this stuff and that great horn show too. Let's keep this up. More trains on the way as well. Stay tuned. Bye bye.